I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Vanguard AR in base battles. To acquire this powerful assault rifle, your primary goal is to level up your player account. The Vanguard AR becomes available once you reach a certain player level, typically around level 25. Focus on completing objectives, eliminating opponents, and winning matches to maximize your experience point gain. Consistent gameplay is key to unlocking this formidable weapon quickly. To efficiently level up, prioritize game modes like Conquest or Domination, which often provide more experience points for objective play. Capturing and defending bases, as well as getting eliminations, significantly contributes to your progress. Always check for in-game events or boosts that might offer double experience points, as these can drastically speed up your journey to the required level. Playing with friends can also enhance your overall experience gain. After reaching the necessary player level, head directly to the in-game armory or weapon customization menu. You'll find the Vanguard AR listed under the Assault Rifle section. Select it to confirm the unlock, and then you can equip it to your preferred loadout. Remember to customize its attachments like scopes or grips to best suit your playstyle and maximize its effectiveness in combat. Experiment with different setups. Mastering the Vanguard AR takes practice. Spend time in training modes or casual matches to get a feel for its recoil pattern and optimal firing range. Pair it with a reliable secondary weapon, like a pistol, and useful gadgets to round out your loadout for any situation. A well-balanced kit enhances your combat effectiveness. And hey, for a different kind of upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a game changer for keeping your space tidy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.